Let's get sporty. Lakers Hockey Club are one victory away from winning the 2023 Africa Cup for Club Championship after picking their third win in a narrow 1-0 victory over local champions Strathmore University Scorpions at City Park. Elsewhere, record Kenyan champions Blazers lost their second match in a row after going down with a similar scoreline to Delta Queens from Nigeria.
Passing movement in the middle, so that's worked for us, and also we converted our chances. The few chances we got, we converted it.
The boys did their part. Now as we wait for the table, there's nothing much we can do about it. So we will have to wait for the other games to be played, then we see what happens. But I'm very happy with the boys. They stick to our plan. That's it.
It's a very tough game. It's too important to us to win with 3 points, but we are lose. Next step, we are lose it.